Hello there and welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about the Vatika Naturals oil replacement. So this is how the product looks like. It is supposedly an oil replacement with ingredients such as garlic, marrow and castor. It claims to repair damaged hair. It is basically targeted for those with damaged, dull and split end hair. It is a 200 ml product. Additionally, it is supposed to be non-sticky and non-greasy with natural ingredients. Now, my initial thought about this product was that it will give you all the benefits of hair oiling without the oiled hair look and the hair washing struggles. But sadly, let me tell you, it doesn't bring in the same benefits as oiling your hair would. I have tried this over 3 months now, and I can assure you it is not really a hair oil replacement. However, that being said, this product still has a lot of potential. In its description, it says, apply the product for healthy looking, soft, strong, smooth and damage free hair. And weirdly enough, this product actually does that. I have tried this product in different scenarios, and the best scenario has been applying the product 2 to 3 days before washing your hair. However, you should apply it only on your hair length, similar to what you would do with a hair conditioner. Now, the reason why I recommend this specific routine is because whenever I use the product in this particular manner, my hair always felt softer, smooth, and looked really healthy. I will have to agree, it did an amazing job at repairing and nourishing the hair. Now, as to why I recommend applying this product only on your hair length and not on your scalp is because this product will make your scalp and hair extremely greasy, even if you're somebody with extremely dry hair. And secondly, this product has a strong scent to it. I just don't think that something with such a strong scent should be applied for days on your scalp. In conclusion, if you have dry, damaged hair, I will recommend this product to you. I don't think it is a bad product. I do not also think it is a hair oil replacement. It is a great hair product, but it is not a hair oil. It is a great alternative. So that being said, this is it for today's video. Please know that you matter, and I shall see you in my next one. Till then, take care.